Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Sam here, and today I'm bringing you a new video. If you're new to the channel, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also like the video. But guys, as you can tell by the title, today is a very exciting day. We're bringing back the E30 back to life. I know I haven't uploaded in like 8 months about the E30. The last thing I recorded about the E30 was me installing coilovers, but let me just go ahead and catch you up right quick with everything that's been happening with the E30. All right, guys, so the E30 is right behind me. I own the F30, the E46, but this is the car that I love. I've been wanting this car ever since I was 13 years old, and I got one for $800, and I did a lot of maintenance under the hood, but I never really fixed the problem. The car had a bad idle issue, and it was just really bad, and I replaced timing belts, ICVs, a whole bunch of parts. I have a playlist down below, like I said, but I never really fixed the problem. And then one day it started doing the problem again, and I just got really unmotivated to work on it, so I let it sat for a couple months. But a couple days ago I took it to the mechanic. He got it fixed completely good. The car runs good, but there was one problem. When I brought it back from the mechanic, the car died on me, and I could tell it was the alternator. It gave me alternator symptoms, so I ordered the alternator from SCP Euro, and it's here, guys, and hopefully this fixed the issue and this car is 100% good. It already runs good, other than it has a little bad exhaust leak, which I gotta take it to the muffler shop so they can fix the muffler. But yeah, guys, hopefully if I replace this alternator, fix it 100% good, and I'm super excited, guys. This is my baby. Y'all know in the playlist down below how much I have put into it, so I'm super excited, guys. Hopefully we get it running good today. So here goes the E30, guys. Before I get roasted in the comments, I installed the bumper with some quick release bumpers, and the fit is not good, but I did not know you had to replace the valance with a late model. I got an early model E30. I didn't know you had to replace the valance and also get a new bar in order to make this bumper fit. So I just ordered the bumper, and I haven't found the valance or the bar. That is pretty expensive new, so I'm trying to find a used one. So right now I feel like it looks good. It doesn't look bad. At least it has a bumper on. I got rid of the old bumper a long time ago, but yeah, guys, that's why this bumper looks funny. It has no turning signal lights or fog lights. I do have them. I can show them in the video, but I think I showed a couple vlogs that I have a lot of parts with the E30, but I haven't installed because I really was unmotivated. But once I replace this alternator, hopefully it's good, guys. The interior still looks pretty decent. I want to replace everything in here, guys. Like I said when I first got this, I want to make it into a full project car, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this ugly seats out. I know when we was cleaning, Thomas ripped them up. He kind of brushed it a little too hard, but all right, guys, so I got the alternator right here, guys. I'm super excited. I got it from SCP Euro. It's a Bosch brand, and it's pretty good, guys. I'm super excited. I'm tired of talking. I just want to go ahead and pop the hood and start working. I know how to do it now because like I said, I replaced the timing belt, water pump, and I was near. I changed all the pulleys and all that, so I was near the alternator, so it's pretty easy to take out. I just gotta take a couple belts and maybe the radiator off, but I'm super excited, guys. Let's get back to the video. Let's pop the hood and start taking some bolts. Okay, guys, so I watched a couple videos, and it's pretty more easier than what I thought it was. I don't gotta take none of the radiator off. All I gotta do is take this mass sensor out and then just loosen the bolts that connects the alternators, and then jack up the car and take all the belts and replace it. Super easy. I also moved the E30 into my little dash shed because I can have a fan there, and it's super hot today, guys. I'm super excited. Let me go ahead and take this mass sensor off right quick. Okay, guys, now that I got that mass sensor out, as you can see down here, mine has the little rubbers covering the bolts. Make sure if you do have it, put it on, because you don't want no rust in those bolts or in those wires. But right here, there's gonna be a 10mm and also an 8mm. You just take them out, and then your alternator is loose, and then all you gotta do is loosen the belts, the tensioner, and everything, guys. So it's pretty simple, easy. Might take me maybe like 30 minutes to do. Okay, guys, I know I look funny, but remember, you gotta take off the 3 belts in order to take that alternator. And this is why I hate and love E30s. It's such a bitch to get into. So let me go ahead and try to take all these belts off. I know I gotta take 3 out since mine's got AC, so let's do it. guys, they call it 30-30 for a reason, but I got the AC belt out. All I gotta do is take the alternator belt out, and then I can go ahead and take out the alternator. Alright guys, so it's the next day. I actually spent 8 hours trying to take off a nut, but as you can see, the alternator is out, but this bracket, I had to cut the metal out because the alternator bracket has a nut that's supposed to be welded on, but mine wasn't on welded. So when I was twisting the bolt out, the nut was spinning, and it's not supposed to spin when you twist the bolt. So what I had to do, I spent hours trying to take it out, try to fit a screwdriver in there to hold the nut from moving, but it never worked. So I had to take out the whole bracket, cut the metal, some of the metal out, so a wrench or a socket could fit in there. But I finally got it out after a couple hours, guys. So yeah, it was day 3 of trying to take this alternator out. I thought it was gonna be super easy. I got the belts off, everything off under an hour, but this tiny nut kept me working for couple hours. So I'll pick up the video tomorrow of me installing everything back on. Okay guys, so I just got out of AutoZone. It's the next day again. It's taking me 3 days to take this alternator off. I took everything off, but the last nut took me 8 hours, and it took me 2 days to take it off. So I had to stop to AutoZone, get all the new bolts and new nuts. That way I can replace everything down the engine bay so it won't be rusting no more. So yeah, pretty much that's it. I'll head out to the E30. Hopefully we can install the alternator today. So let's get it. Okay guys, so I just installed the alternator bracket back on and connected all the power stand, everything bolted back on. And now all I gotta do is transfer the pulley and this little fan into the new alternator, and it's pretty much finished, and I can go ahead and install it right quick. But just take a look at that difference. I think this never been replaced versus this new from SCP Euro. What a difference. Everything under the engine bay starting to look new. I really gotta replace the radiator. Well, it's not bad, but I want to replace it just to have it new so it won't go out, since it is probably like 33 years old. And also the intake manifold, it looks pretty good because I did wire brush and made it look a little bit newer, but I definitely want to upgrade that soon too. Okay guys, so the E30 is running now. It's still, you know, it's still kind of loud because sorry I look messy, but it's still kind of loud because, like I said, I did cut the exhaust off halfway, and it's basically like almost open headers. So yeah guys, the E30 looks so beautiful. I'm about to go pump some gas right now. I just added insurance on it, so it's definitely roadworthy now. So I can't wait to drive to the gas station, guys. This is probably one of the happiest days of my life. Just putting so much work into the E30, and it's actually about to run now. I'm super happy. See you at the gas station. Okay guys, so the E30 just made it to the car wash, and like I can't believe it's actually out in the public. I have not taken this out in the public in so long, so I'm super happy to see it out here. I'm gonna give it the first proper car wash. I know I've been washing it at the house, but I really don't ever do a good job. I just use like any dish soap. I know it's bad for your paint, but I mean it is a 33-year-old paint, so I'm just super happy. I am rocking a fake tag right now. I am gonna get tagged later on, but it got insurance, so that's all that matters. But guys, let's give this thing a proper car wash.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Alright guys, so here goes the E30 finally washed. I still got it dry guys, but this thing looks so good. There go Thomas E92. I'm so happy guys. I can't express how happy I am spending hours and finally being able to drive it. But it's not 100% yet. It still don't start the first try. Maybe it's an E30 thing. Let me know what I can change so it can start every time the first try. But it takes a couple tries to start, but it runs smooth guys. I'm just so happy. Let me go ahead and drive right quick.
Turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon. Turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so I guess I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So if you're new to the channel and enjoy the E30 content, make sure you hit that subscribe button because I'm gonna be uploading a lot more from the E30. I'm super happy guys. I'm glad I got it running. Somewhat still got a little issues. They got that little muffler issue, and also it doesn't start the first time, but I think it might be an E30 thing. I was looking at a couple videos and they were saying it never starts the first try. So if y'all got any suggestions, please leave it down below. And with that being said guys, I'm super happy. Hard work finally paid off. So as always, it's been Cervantes Garage. Stay humble, stay blessed. We out. Peace.